Is there any chance MrBeast will enter a survival competition with this bird? Anyone who can escape this bird will subscribe before it chases you. If you put this bird in Jurassic Park, it wouldn't smile, because it's already like a real dinosaur. Imagine the world's most dangerous bird. That bird is this bird, Southern Cassowary. With its 3-toed giant feet, it can be deadly with a single kick. It runs so fast that it has developed bumps on its head to protect it from collisions. It is known for its aggressiveness. People even avoid it. If MrBeast raced this bird, he'd get hurt, not a prize. Don't miss out on this boss-level bird of nature. Subscribe now.